Hi, I'm Dr. Danyo from North Atlanta Hair Restoration. So what is long hair FUE, or follicular unit extraction, and how does that differ from traditional FUE? Long hair FUE is the most modern and accurate way of doing hair transplant. Basically, you're taking the full length of the hair from the donor site, and the donor site can be from the side, back of the head, sometimes even from the beard, chest, or abdomen for men. And we take that full length and then we transplant that into the recipient or balding areas. And this is exciting because as you're doing the procedure, you're creating density and you're creating a look which is oftentimes referred to as a preview of what your hair transplant is going to look like. When you take the full length of the hair, which has somewhat of an arc to it, and you can tie the arc and angulation with the hair, it makes long hair transplant extremely accurate, much more so than traditional FUE. So the good thing is you get a preview of what you're going to look like, and you get extreme accuracy.